Hello everyone, sorry for being so late with my new video. Previously, I have showed you the center to center and origin to origin option to insert point cloud in Revit. Today, I will show you the shared coordinate option. To do this, I will select the point cloud and click shared coordinate, then open. My cloud is now inserted in Revit. Always try to insert your cloud file in site plan so you can track the cloud position easily in Revit. Now if I check my cloud position, I will select all screen, then filter, point cloud. Here, here is my cloud. You can see it here. Now I will check its position with my recap file. I will draw a section to check the level. Section 1. I will go to section 1. Now you can see that I have prepared a level previous to 64189 and I have the cloud position and I have taken that I have prepared the section here. I will pin it so my cloud will be fixed in position. I have taken the section in this position. So in my cloud file, this is the position and the approx z value of this position is 64 185 or more than 185 something. So in my section it is 64 189. So, okay. Now I will check if my cloud, if my file is okay or not. So I will click wall, check everything is working properly or not. Now you can see that the wall is not perfectly modeled. So click it here, it will show you. You can see it. The wall tip points are not perfect. And also the outline of the wall is not perfect. So this thing happens because of georeferencing issue. I will show you how to solve this in my next video. I hope you will like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.